Is credit card churning a legit way to make some extra money? In this video, we're going to explain what credit card churning is and discuss whether or not this is a good way to make passive income. Also, we'll give you a list of the 6 best credit card sign-up bonuses that you could take advantage of. Credit card churning is a term described as the practice of opening various credit cards to earn the sign-on bonuses that the credit card companies offer. Once you receive the bonuses and pay off the card, of course, you can feel free to stop using the card altogether so as to not rack up the credit card debt. The best part about this strategy is that you don't even need any money to start with. All that you need is a good to excellent credit score and you should be good to go. Also, you don't even need to leave your house in order to do it. You can apply for credit cards online from the comfort of your own home. Many credit card companies often entice potential users to sign up for their cards by offering some sort of perk. For example, one card may offer cash back bonuses if the user spends a certain amount of money on the card in a given number of days. You basically earn money on things that you had all intentions of purchasing anyway, like groceries or gas. Other cards, like travel cards, may offer a number of frequent flyer miles or points that you can redeem for free travel if you spend a certain amount of money on a set amount of days. Haven't you always wanted to go to Hawaii? These can really come in handy if you're planning a summer vacation with your family and you want to save some money on travel fees like flights or hotels. Some credit card churners will open many credit cards at the same time, get the bonuses, pay them off, then close them all, and sometimes even wait a while and reopen the same cards again if they're worth it. Credit card churning can actually give you quite a bit of extra spending money throughout the year, which is definitely something that we all need. It can actually be a legit way to make some extra money if you play your cards right. If you practice credit card churning the right way, you could definitely reap some pretty awesome rewards. If you do it the wrong way, however, you can get into some pretty bad financial situations. If you're the sort of person that's responsible and you pay off your balances in full right away, credit card churning is a great way for you to earn some fantastic perks. You can gain some pretty sizable amounts of cash back on some cards that would regularly take a lot of time and money to achieve. For example, say a card gives you $150 for a sign-up bonus, and you only have to spend $1,000 in the first 90 days. Also, say that card gives you 1% cash back on all purchases. If you didn't get that sign-up bonus, you would need to spend $15,000 on the credit card to reach the $150 cash back amount. That's actually a huge cash back amount. Credit card churning does require a lot of organizational skills, especially if you're churning multiple cards at the same time. Many people seem to get a little overzealous when they get a credit card and they go on extravagant spending sprees, racking up huge balances that they end up paying the minimums on. This is a bad idea because you end up paying interest and usually you don't end up actually paying the card off. This will make your credit score take a hit, and it could make it quite difficult for you to get a mortgage, a loan, or even a new car. Also, you'll end up spending more in fees and interest than you'll actually get in rewards, so it's not really worth it in the end. If you want to start credit card churning, make sure you don't spend beyond your means, and also make sure that you pay off your balances right away, or at least pay the minimum so they don't add up. Basically, don't go out and use your card to buy all new furniture for your house if you don't intend on paying it back right away. Keep in mind also, for every credit card that you open up, you'll receive a hard inquiry on your credit report, and for each hard inquiry you get, your credit score can drop 3 points. Here are the top 6 credit cards out there right now that have the best sign-up bonuses for new customers. These are the reward amounts of the time of making this video, but these are also subject to change, so make sure that you read up on them first before you apply. Number 1. Chase Freedom Unlimited. This card is designed as a cashback bonus card. The Chase Freedom Unlimited card offers a $150 sign-on bonus after you spend $500 in the first 3 months of opening the card, which is actually a pretty small amount to spend for the large amount of cash back. You'll earn 1.5% cash back on every purchase, and the cash back rewards never expire as long as you keep your card open. There's no annual fee associated with this card, which is convenient, and there's a 0% intro APR for 15 months from account opening on purchases and balance transfers, then a variable APR of 16.49 to 25.24%. All in all, the Chase Freedom Unlimited card gives you some pretty decent perks, and you don't even have to spend that much in order to get it. To qualify for this card, you need to have a good to excellent credit score. The Chase Freedom Unlimited card can also be combined with the Chase Sapphire Preferred card to maximize your rewards. The Chase Sapphire Preferred card is designed as a travel card, and it gives you travel points as opposed to cash back rewards. This card offers you a sign-up bonus of 60,000 points after you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months of opening the card. It seems like a lot to spend, but it does equal $750 towards travel spendages. Hawaii is waiting. This is your best chance to take that much-needed trip. Unfortunately, there is a $95 annual fee associated with this card, so you do need to keep that in mind when you apply for it. It does, however, offer 2 times the points on any dining or travel purchases, and 1 point per dollar spent on every other purchase. One new thing that this card offers is 5 times the points on Lyft rides, so that will definitely come in handy on your vacation. There's also no foreign transaction fees, which is perfect if you plan on traveling abroad. To qualify for this card, you will also need a good to excellent credit score. Number 2, Wells Fargo Cashwise card. This card is designed to give you cash back rewards as well. The Wells Fargo Cashwise card offers you a $150 sign-up bonus when you spend $500 in the first 3 months of opening the card. There's no annual fee, and you'll earn 1.5% cash rewards on every purchase. There are no rotating categories to deal with, which is great because they could be confusing to keep up with. They also offer 1.8% cash rewards on any Google Pay or Apple Pay purchases within the first 12 months of opening this card. This card does unfortunately have a 3% foreign transaction fee, so it's best not to use it abroad. In order to qualify for this card, you'll need a good to excellent credit score. Number 3, Capital One Quicksilver card. This card is designed to give you cash back rewards when you fulfill the requirements. The Capital One Quicksilver card offers a $150 cashback bonus once you spend $500 in the first 3 months of opening your account. This card also has no annual fee, which is always a perk. There are no foreign transaction fees, so you can use this card outside of the United States. You can also redeem your cash back for gift cards or just use it straight on Amazon for your Amazon orders, which is really convenient. In order to qualify for this card, you need a good to excellent credit score. Number 4, American Express Blue Cash Everyday card. This card is also designed to give you cash back rewards. The American Express Blue Cash Everyday card offers you a sign-up bonus of $200 cash back if you spend $1,000 within the first 3 months of opening the card. You'll also earn 3% cash back on the first $6,000 you spend at U.S. supermarkets each year, 1% thereafter, 2% cash back at U.S. gas stations and select U.S. department stores, and 1% cash back on everything else. There's no annual fee with this card, which is definitely a perk, but unfortunately it does have a 2.7% foreign transaction fee, so it wouldn't be wise to use it in another country. To qualify for this card, you need to have a good credit score. Number 5, Bank of America Cash Rewards card. This card is designed to give you cashback rewards as well. The Bank of America Cash Rewards card offers you a $200 cashback bonus when you make $1,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of opening the card. You can earn 3% cash back in the category of your choice, 2% at grocery stores and wholesale clubs, and unlimited 1% on all other purchases. There are no expiration dates on the cashback rewards that you earn either. This card also has no annual fees, so that's always a plus. However, there is a 3% foreign transaction fee associated with this card, so it's not recommended to use abroad. In order to qualify for this card, you need a good to excellent credit score as well. Number 6, American Express Cash Magnet card. This card is also designed to give you cashback rewards. The American Express Cash Magnet card will earn you $200 in statement credits after you spend $1,000 in the first 3 months of opening the card. You'll also earn 1.5% cash back on every purchase that you make that you could redeem for statement credits, gift cards, and merchandise. There's no annual fee, but it does have a 2.7% foreign transaction fee, so it's not recommended for traveling abroad. In order to get approved for this card, you will need good to excellent credit. To give a recap, credit card churning can be a decent way to make some extra money or earn some travel rewards, as there are many different cards out there to offer some good welcome bonuses if you sign up for them and spend the required amount in the set and time frame. We recommend that you do your due diligence and find the right card or cards for you if you decide to practice credit card churning. We make videos like this to help everyone like us save money or take advantage of any existing opportunities out there to gain financial freedom. For more videos like this, please subscribe, like, and hit that bell to get notified of our latest videos.